Today on JCM Academy Masterclass, we're going to talk about time and how you manage it and how that can kind of get away from you. Stay tuned. I'll see you in class. Hi everyone, I'm John C. Morley, serial entrepreneur, and of course, your coach. How many of you out there find that time eludes you? Now, whether it's your watch or whether it's some clock in a room or a company, it's just like you start, but then when you finish, it's like, wow, where'd all that time go? Now, why does that happen? Well, there's a couple reasons. One, you could procrastinate. Another reason is you could be looking at your computer all day. And I gotta tell you, looking at your computer all day and wishing things to get done is not gonna help you. And it's gonna frustrate you. The other thing that could be happening is that you're working on things, but you don't really understand what's required of you to finish something. For example, let's say you were writing a book and you didn't know that it was gonna take you an hour every single day just to get the preface done for every first chapter that you're doing. That's a problem. So I think one thing I would tell you for time management is to research what you're doing. Find out if you've done that before. If you have, use it as a benchmark to figure out how much time you should budget for it. If you've never done that before, like, I don't know, maybe you're gonna paint a shed, but you've never done that in your life, well, go talk to some other people that paint sheds and see what some of the beginning people did and how long it took them to paint a shed. Another thing that happens to a lot of people is maybe it's in business and you take on clients you've got to go see. But you don't realize that if one person is in this part of town, another one's in this part of town, and you say, well, gee, I could do that quickly. But a good thing to understand is that you have to budget at least an hour for that. And you have to understand how long it's going to take you from each point to another point. Also, thinking about traffic. So just taking these little things into consideration will help remove frustration from your life. It'll help you be a more productive and successful person because remember, time is something we all have. We all have the same amount every day. We can't get it back. So let's use our time wisely and learn how to manage it. I'm John C. Morley, serial entrepreneur, your business coach. And remember to tune into JCM Academy Eventbrite.com to register for our next masterclass, which we do every single week. And we have a special deal. If you sign up, we'll give you the entire month for a really low price. Just a few dollars can actually help improve the quality of your life. In fact, our courses, when you buy them in a package, are only $25 a class. I look forward to seeing you there or another video real soon. Take care, everyone.